Chewing your own food?
It takes so much time.
Looking for a new way to get your veggies?
I don't think there's an easy way to get veggies.
But wait, there's the Breville Fresh Juicer.
The Breville? What's that?
It's a juicer. It does all the masticating for you.
Wait, but how many times do I have to peel a carrot and then put it in?
You don't even have to peel the carrots.
What?
No more peeling.
No more peeling?
No more peeling.
What about taking these weird little nubbies off?
You don't have to eat the nubby, but the nubby's not bad for you in the case of the carrot. In the case of the strawberry, however, you might want to chop the nubby off. Order now and you will receive a free Ginsu chopper.
Now, are we going to get the regular one or the one for kids under 2 years old?
This one you can take onto an airplane.
My God. But how does it taste?
Well,
The knife?
it works something like this. You take the fruit or the vegetable that you want, you put it in the masticator,
Right.
it comes out as juice over here, and if you don't like it because it's not sweet enough,
Right.
then you add something sweet.
But
like apple.
Right, I see what you're saying. But do I have to use my throat muscles to swallow?
Not at all.
The Breville does it for you?
The Breville does it for you.
Amazing! I can't wait to try it. Not at the end, man, but please. My goodness, now there are all sorts of fruits and vegetables. Now, do we all have to mix them together, everything we see in front of us, or can we choose different groups?
What you'll find is that certain combinations taste better than others.
Really?
Let's
We
start
have to
with
do our
something that's
thing.
really nasty.
Okay.
And serve that up to people. And then
Definitely.
from there we'll get progressively more delicious.
If they say to the end, that is. So what kind of vegetables do we have? Or can we put in there? Can we put in, let's say, this weird cabbage-looking, red kale vegetable-looking thing?
Why, yes you can. This is a perfect thing to put in there.
Oh my God.
Packed with vitamins A and
A+. A plus.
A+.
A and A plus.
and A+.
It's got a 4.0 grade point average. That's how good that is. And what's this? My
Wow.
goodness, is this a coral?
That is coral ginger.
Oh my God. Do we have to cut it up?
What are they called?
The ginger
What are they?
does not need to be peeled before it goes into the juicer.
Oh my
believe
God.
it or not.
We could just put it in like this?
If it's organic, yes you can.
I don't believe it.
Watch how it works.
Okay.
Do you have to set it up?
Do you need power from the...
No, it runs on batteries.
Okay, great.
Anyone got AA batteries?
Interesting.
Okay, I have.